I need to get to my grandmother who's going through dementia.
Yeah, I know. I can understand that.
No, they're hurting me. They're trying to hurt me. Wait, my shoulder. I had shoulder surgery.
What if the visible signs of intoxication and the symptoms of a documented medical condition are clinically indistinguishable from each other? And who, under the law, carries the burden of proving the difference?
Hey. Hi, man. What's going on?
Hi. Hey, can I speak to you, please?
Yeah, sure.
Officer Slater?
Yeah.
I'm going to record.
That's fine. I'm recording too, so.
As you should.
Yeah, so what's going on?
Yes. Right. So, I came here. I had a connecting flight from...
Yeah. Okay.
I went outside, came back inside. They're like, oh, you're intoxicated. I
Okay.
had a drink right there.
Okay.
Came back over here, and I said, oh, I'm going to work.
Yeah.
They're like, oh, no, well, you're overly intoxicated. No, what do you mean?
Okay.
I'm not being overly aggressive. I'm not, arguing with nobody else. I'm not doing anything that I'm not supposed to do.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Okay, I got you.
I need to get to my grandmother who's going through dementia.
Yeah, I know. I can understand
I
that.
have a lot of things going on.
Okay. So can I tell you the reason why we were called here?
Yeah.
It's obviously, so what you just said, they believe that...
You're recording? I'm recording for myself.
So I got reason to believe that you are intoxicated, and that's what we've been called to, and that's what I'm investigating. So do you have a...
Show you what I have? Like my recording of like what I have.
Right now, no,
Doesn't
but...
matter to you? Exactly.
But can I have your ID, though, please?
No.
Okay, that's
I'm
fine.
not comfortable giving you that. Because I don't
Okay.
feel like I should give you that.
Okay, so do you know where you're at right now?
I know where I'm at. I'm in the airport. I'm in Tennessee, BNA.
Perfect, okay.
Tennessee.
Yeah.
And I flew to here in an hour and 28-minute flight for me to go
Yeah.
connect this flight that was supposed to connect into 11:20 something.
Yeah.
For me to,
Okay.
I have to go see my grandmother. I have several appointments for my neck, which I have 5 pinched nerves in my neck. And I have to get to. So I do not need you guys to grab me or hold me.
We're not doing anything like that.
I'm just saying, before that happens,
Right.
I don't need anybody. I'm reporting you guys.
We're gonna escort you out this way though.
Yes, so I'm gonna call my bank
Yeah, that's fine. They've already refunded you.
and report so I can get my refund.
Yeah.
Because I have appointments that I have to get to tomorrow.
Let's help you with that. Oh. So we're
Let's go together.
Control 18. Subjects refusing to identify will be escorting them to the non-secure side.
you want to do the
So you're gonna walk in front of us. You're gonna walk in front of us, okay?
take the escalator or the
I can walk on the opposite side, so we can walk together.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. You're not
You
walking
can walk on that
behind.
side. No, you can walk on that side, and I can walk with you.
We're
We
not
can
gonna
walk
tell each other
together.
what we're gonna do.
What I'm telling you is I don't feel comfortable.
So if you keep refusing to walk, we are gonna
not
arrest you
gonna
for public
refuse.
intoxication, okay?
I'm
So
not intoxicated.
go ahead and walk.
No.
Well,
Go ahead and get you out.
watch where you're walking.
Do you want to rebook with Southwest, or would you like to rebook with another?
No, somebody else. But I'm watching you.
Hey, please don't walk backwards.
I can see you. I'm going.
Right.
Trust me. I'm gonna look backwards, but I'm not. I don't trust the police
Okay, well, that's
because you guys hurt all of us, African American people. So I do not trust you guys. It's not about being intoxicated. I just don't trust you.
It is a criminal offense. I will tell you that. So
Girl, please, miss me with the bullshit.
So you said you want to go back to Southwest though?
No, I don't.
okay.
I'd rather rebook. I have money to rebook.
That's fine. Do you want American Airline or which airline?
Sweetheart, I don't want to deal with you guys.
Okay, well, you're gonna deal with us until we get you out of here. Okay.
No, I'm gonna get out of here.
Okay, that's fine.
And I'm gonna rebook on my own without you guys in my face.
You know where you're gonna be
I don't
going?
trust you guys.
Do you know where you're gonna be going? Just so I know you can take care of yourself.
Sweetheart, I'm okay. I don't need you to take care of me.
You're good.
Okay.
I'm not intoxicated, sweetheart. I have my book bag.
You're about to get off. Watch out.
I don't want to help you.
Okay.
I can still walk where I'm going. I'm gonna record you.
Not walking straight backwards. Let's keep walking.
Sweetheart, we
Okay.
can walk together.
All right. You can't stop walking on
No,
me.
I cannot.
Okay.
Cannot. My First Amendment. You're not gonna get that.
Yeah, I'm not doing First Amendment, but that's fine.
Sweetheart, I don't care.
Do you know what? Do you have a preferred airline? So we can get you to the right
I just have
account.
an airline to get away from you guys.
You like, what is it? What, Allegiant? The Spirit?
They're not available until February 12th.
February 12th.
So I know about Allegiant.
Search speed, swaying back and
I'm
forth.
coherent. I know where I'm going. I know what I'm dealing with.
Okay. What about, probably Delta or American, probably.
It's not about what you're gonna do, so don't worry about it.
Well, that's my job to worry
It's
about
okay.
it. So,
Fuck it. You're the only person who's trying to be like coherent with me and talk to me properly. Besides your partner. So I'd rather talk to you than him. I'm still recording everyone.
perfectly fine.
Within your First Amendment rights. If she refuses to leave property, wants to get over there, we're taking her to jail.
So, that's what we're going to do. We'll get out of here.
I'm gonna ask you to walk, turn around. Stop. No, I am. I'm walking.
You're about to run into people. Walk straight.
Not touching me. I'm recording you.
He does it again.
No, I understand that.
What? Stop walking.
Do not touch me.
All right, you're about to walk into a bunch of people.
I'm telling them. Do not touch me. Do not touch me. Everybody can see that too. Do not touch me. They can say about harassing me.
We'll get her up there.
Do not touch me.
Yeah, sounds good. Let's do it
Do
up
not
there.
touch me.
I'm not touching it.
You guys are harassing me.
No, we're
Do not
not.
touch me.
Yeah.
Do not harass me. I'm in the airport. Do not harass me.
Oh, you're being disorderly now too. Let's get to the corner up here first.
Yeah.
Do not harass me. I'm recording you guys. Do not harass me. I'm recording you guys.
I can see that.
Do not touch me. Do not harass me. I'm getting out the airport.
Control 18. We're going to be located in front of the TOIC.
Do not touch me. You guys have them?
All right, so you're under arrest. Put your phone down.
No. No, you're hurting me. You're trying to hurt me. I have a back. I have an injury.
Stop
I have an
resisting.
injury. I have an injury in my shoulder.
Down the ground.
I have an injury in my shoulder.
There, right there.
This is amazing!
Well.
I have an injury in my shoulder! I have an injury in my shoulder! I had shoulder surgery! I had shoulder surgery!
Well, you should have thought about
I
that.
had shoulder surgery! I had shoulder surgery! They're hurting me! They're hurting me! They're hurting
You got your cups?
me! They're hurting me! I'm about to get a lawsuit! I'm about to be sued.
Vehicle owners on the way from the curb.
Oh my god! I'm having anxiety.
That's this body camera.
Oh.
All right, get up now.
Oh,
Get up.
wait, my shoulder! I had shoulder surgery. They're about to go to jail.
Yes,
I'm about to
you
be mad.
Public intoxication and resisting arrest.
Public intoxication.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
recorded you guys the whole time.
Yeah, we
I'm about
recorded
to
you.
go
the
to
whole time.
jail. I'm about to get a lawsuit against me, stupid.
Whatever works, what's your bill?
I know it's not to float my boat. My mom's a cop, stupid. Go ahead, let's go. Come on. 410. You guys look at the These ass clown. Slater.
Face that way.
You mad because I can't called you about your name, pussy.
Hey, you got anything in your pockets that's gonna stab me, poke me, anything like that?
Check in my pockets, bro.
Yeah, I gotta search
You're
you.
pussy. Check in my pockets. Check in my pockets, pussy. Check in my pockets.
Face that.
Oh, you're gonna spit me. I'm a girl. I'm a whole female. Oh, yeah. I can't wait for this lawsuit. I can't wait for this lawsuit. But you're not going. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting.
You're not listening.
I'm not resisting, though. But I'm not resisting.
Yeah, I feel that. I'm like
I'm
trying
not
to figure out what it
resisting.
is. Just check. Sure.
Look at it. It's my doctor's note. It's my charger.
Yep, and we'll make sure this stuff goes to the jail.
That's my doctor's note, pussy. You ass clown.
Oh, yeah?
You're a whole ass clown. That's from
good
my
to know.
doctor. Read it. That's on my whole prescription for my shoulder therapy. Asshole.
Well, you shouldn't have fought us in the first place. This wouldn't
I didn't
happen.
follow you, pussy.
You-
I can't wait to get this lawsuit, nigga.
Whatever works for you.
I shot shoulder surgery.
I don't care.
Shoulder surgery.
Sorry you had to do that. Good morning.
Can't wait, bro. I can't wait. You pussy. You mad at the
I already kind of did the search around her waist and stuff right there. I didn't see feel anything, so.
I don't got no guns on me. No, mama. It's nothing. I don't got nothing on me. Boy, I'm talking about having shoulder surgery. I got my therapy papers in my pocket, and they saw that.
We'll go ahead and throw her stuff in the back trunk there.
Well, actually,
I don't think they're going to take this, so this needs to go to 11 Bravo.
Go to my back, bro. Mama, please. No, bro.
I wasn't able to identify her at all yet, so she refused ID, so I didn't push it.
This shit is crazy. It's like I'm on my medical shit. All of them on my medical issues. All of them on my medical issues. It ain't no drugs in there. You clown ass.
No, I'm looking for your ID.
You clown ass fuck. You clown. You a clown.
Are you done yet?
What?
Are you done?
No, I'm not done. You hurt my shoulder. I just had shoulder surgery. And I said be nice to my shoulder, bro. I should get and work with you.
There's probably a reason they had to take you.
Man, he just like my in real life. If I had one, he could swallow it. Some people choke on it, and his mother should have swallowed it too.
You want to call that retaliation, or it's not really retaliation yet, is it? That's more of like a direct threat, right? Like, well, I'm going to kill you, sort of deal.
Yeah. What her ID? You got it.
Yeah, I got it right here. I don't know why they put it on that side.
It's Murphy.
Hey, Murphy.
Take off my socks. I'll go take off my shoes. Like, I would have gone home to my grandmother and my father. He's a clown.
Hey, can we get him on this side here whenever you're done?
He can suck my in real life, bro. This is why people don't these fucking police out here, bro.
0-0.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
Hey, let's get her on this side right here. I don't want her. I don't want her directly behind me.
Okay, that's fine.
I don't want to get behind.
I'm gonna go on the side.
He hurt me. I swear to God, I didn't even do nothing wrong.
I'm gonna buckle you up, okay?
See, my hand, my shoulder hurts really bad. I'm not trying to put it.
I did look at her like medical thing. It looks like she actually is on prescription for something with the shoulder. So she shouldn't have done that. I really didn't want to do that.
He asked Midland about going
I
to hospital.
can't, but it hurts.
I'm not going to. I mean, if she has something going on, like if it's like she was bleeding or something, that's different. But
I swear to God.
we'll just take her to the jail. It'll be fine. If she needs anything there, they'll help her.
Like my hands is numb. My hands is cold right now. I got 5 pinched nerves in my neck. I'm about to understand. This is about to please watch that shit. Watch this more SWAT. Why you gotta be so much of a dickhead? I didn't do shit to you, bro. Porn. They always be white fucking cops, bro. They don't like black people. I swear to God, bro. That's what it is. Swearing, I know that makes me so caught up. Not like black people, bro. I swear to God, y'all don't. I didn't even do shit to you, bro. So you ain't crying shit in my back? Yeah, talk about it. What you got in my back, big boy? Nah.
This airport encounter raises 3 legal questions that courts across the United States continue to struggle with. The threshold for a public intoxication arrest, the right to refuse identification before arrest, and what conduct actually meets the statutory definition of resisting arrest. Under Terry v. Ohio 1968, an investigative stop requires only reasonable articulable suspicion, not probable cause, a report from airline staff, as trained industry professionals with direct proximity to the subject. constitutes a credible third-party tip meeting this standard. The investigative stop was legally authorized. Tennessee Code 3917-310 demands two independent elements. The subject must appear under the influence of an intoxicating substance and must be endangered to a degree attributable to that influence. These are not alternative elements. Both must be independently established. Satisfying one without the other is legally insufficient for a valid public intoxication charge. A physician note recovered during the post-arrest search corroborated the claimed diagnosis of cervical nerve damage and prior shoulder surgery. Documented conditions affecting the spine and musculature can produce gait irregularities and physical unsteadiness indistinguishable from intoxication. This creates a medical alternative defense capable of negating the influence element of the statute. Tennessee has no general stop and identify statute. Hebel v. 6th Judicial District Court, 2004, confirmed that the right to remain unidentified during an investigative stop exists wherever state law does not specifically remove it. The pre-arrest refusal to provide identification was legally permissible under both Tennessee law and the Fifth Amendment privilege against compelled self-incrimination. Tennessee Code 3917-305 subsection 3 requires two concurrent elements: a hazardous or physically offensive condition created with no legitimate purpose, and the intent to cause public annoyance or alarm. The conduct element may be arguable. The intent element is the prosecutorial burden that determines whether this charge survives a motion to dismiss. Graham v. Connor 1000. 989 requires that every use of force decision be evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene at the moment of the decision, not with the benefit of hindsight. The progression through officer presence, verbal commands, and soft empty hand control followed the use of force continuum. The force applied was proportionate under this standard. Tennessee Code 3916-602 is precise on this point. A resisting arrest charge requires that the person intentionally prevent or obstruct an officer by using force. The statutory language is not satisfied by verbal refusal, passive non-movement, or evasive walking. The force threshold is only arguably met at the moment of physical resistance during handcuffing, not during the 7-minute escort that preceded it. The charge shift from public intoxication to disorderly conduct reflects a prosecutorial recalibration, not a clarification. The status-based charge carried medical defense vulnerability. The conduct-based charge introduced a heightened intent element. Neither charge is without legal exposure given the evidence in the record. 3 evidentiary lessons from this encounter. Medical documentation carried on the person at the time of arrest becomes part of the evidentiary record and can anchor a defense. The exact statutory language of an arrest charge, not its common understanding, governs its legal sufficiency. And the absence of a state stop and identify law creates a pre-arrest right that is broader than most people, and many officers, assume. Whether the disorderly conduct charge survives the intent analysis at trial, whether the handcuffing resistance truly constitutes statutory force, and whether the medical documentation is sufficient to rebut the intoxication finding. These questions remain unresolved. The law in this case does not offer easy answers. Whether it offered just ones is a question worth staying for.